Hello students, welcome to our e-classroom. My name is Snezhana and I'm your English teacher for today's lesson. The objectives of today's lesson are to learn new vocabulary, classroom objects, revise the first and the second person singular forms of the verb have got, learn the third person singular forms, and use them in communication, and to form questions and short answers. We are going to start with the vocabulary. Classroom objects. Please repeat. Notebook, notebook. School bag, school bag. Pencil, pencil. Pencil case, pencil case. Ruler, ruler. Rubber, rubber. Crayons, crayons. Book, book. Desk, desk. Board, board. Color pencils, color pencils. Okay, let's see. What's there in the classroom? That's right. There is a ruler, a pencil case, a notebook, a pencil, a school bag, crayons, a rubber, color pencils, book, a board, and desks. Good job! We proceed with the verb have got. When we talk about things that belong to us or other people, we use have got. I have got a red bicycle. She has got a new computer. Have got is the form for the first and second person singular affirmative and haven't got for the negative. I have got new trainers. I have got new trainers. I haven't got a hat. I haven't got a hat. You have got a notebook. You have got a notebook. You haven't got a board. You haven't got a board. There is another form of the verb have got for the third person singular. He, she, it. It has got and hasn't got for the negative. He has got a color pencil. He has got a color pencil. He hasn't got a pencil. He hasn't got a pencil. He has got a book. He has got a book. He hasn't got a pencil case. He hasn't got a pencil case. She has got crayons. She has got crayons. She hasn't got a rubber. She hasn't got a rubber. She has got a school bag. She has got a school bag. She hasn't got a desk. She hasn't got a desk. It has got glasses. It has got glasses. It hasn't got a computer. It hasn't got a computer. It has got a board. It has got a board. It hasn't got crayons. It hasn't got crayons. Now look at the children's desks. He has got a ruler, a book, and a rubber. Has he got a ruler on his desk? Yes, he has. Has he got a pencil case on his desk? No, he hasn't. This is the interrogative form of the verb has got. She has got a notebook, a pencil case, and some crayons on her desk. Has she got crayons on her desk? Yes, she has. Has she got a book on her desk? No, she hasn't. Good job. Now look at the owl. Complete the sentences with has or hasn't. It has got a school bag. It has got books. Has it got a pencil? Yes, it has. It hasn't got trainers. It has got a hat. Well done. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. See you next time. Bye.